Summer's coming up, you're going out swimming, spring break's around the corner, but you want to record your adventures, right? Cell phone is in your pocket, but you don't want to bring it because you might get it wet, it might get damaged, it might get broken, depending on what you're doing, maybe hiking or biking. Like I said, summer's here, it's coming, in just a little bit of time. COVID has kind of died down, so we can actually probably enjoy this summer. But how do you manage to record everything you're doing without worrying about breaking your phone? Your phone is a really good camera and it does a really good job these days of recording action, but it has its limitations. So my question to you is it worth it to invest in a GoPro? Especially the Hero 9. That's what we're talking about today, the GoPro Hero 9. Is it worth it to purchase in 2021 for the summer of 2021? Or should you wait till August, September time and see what drops for the Hero 10? So we got 5 things that we want to talk about of reasons why I think that the Hero 9 is a solid investment. And if you want to buy one now, it's perfectly okay. Now there is that price tag of, I believe, about $400 for the Hero 9 just by itself. There's some sales here and there between Best Buy and Amazon, but the kicker to these sales are going onto GoPro's website and purchasing it directly from GoPro. They're offering deals quite frequently where you can get the Hero 9, their GoPro subscription, and okay, so I'm jumping in here real quick. I messed up. So the GoPro Hero 9 is on sale for $350 with the subscription bundle, and I think you get a free micro 32 SD card in there just as well. Regular price is $499.98, so $500. I'm gonna say $450 here in a second, but I'm just letting you know regular price is $500. And I didn't get it for $300 off that minus $150. I got it for $350. So just FYI, you're about to see this. It's gonna be wrong, but I'm updating you. Okay, it only costs you $350. Crazy, right? So you may be asking, Tony, why would I do that? Why do I want the GoPro subscription? I'm only saving $50. Well, originally when I bought mine, back when it first released, I got the GoPro subscription and the GoPro Hero 9 for $300. So it was really cheap. And I need to correct myself because I said $400 earlier, but I'm pretty sure it was $450 because it was like a $150 saving just by adding that subscription on there. Now my numbers could be wrong. It's been a little while since I purchased it. You'll find out, right? But buying the subscription is a really good deal. You get unlimited cloud storage with GoPro. So anytime you record a video with your GoPro, it automatically uploads through their app to the cloud service, so you can see it anywhere. Now, there's a kicker to that. Yes, you're gonna save some money, but if you cancel that under a year's time, they automatically bill you for the full price of the GoPro. So, you win and you lose, right? But once it's paid for, it's paid for, and the benefit to the subscription is that you get a discount on all GoPro accessories. I think I picked up a battery, I got 6 batteries now. They were like 25% off the regular price, and then I got the charger, which was like 25-30% off, and then I brought the medium mod you see right here. That was $80 normally, but I think I got it for like $55. So I saved my money. I've made that back. So even if I do cancel and they charge me that $150 or whatever it is, like I got that in discounts from just accessories. It's a pretty freaking sweet deal. And if you buy it from Best Buy or Walmart or somewhere else, a retail store, then you're not getting that same kind of discount that you're available. Now, you can still buy the subscription later on after you buy it from Best Buy, but it's better to just do it all at once. You save more money that way. Now, the 5 reasons why you should buy the GoPro for your summer adventures. 1, waterproof. That's right, waterproof. GoPro's been around for a while. You know that. It's waterproof. If you don't know that, waterproof, shockproof, dustproof, U-proof. U-proof. Drop, bang, toss it away. It's gonna work. Number 2, why you should buy a GoPro, it records amazing quality videos. You're getting 5K video, you're getting 4K video, you can slow it down, speed it up, you can throw it in a circle, do what you want to do, and it's gonna give you some great video. I record all my videos from my GoPro in 5K, so that way I can crop, and it allows me to shoot really wide, and if I want to bring it in close for a headshot, 100%, I can only shoot one scene, right? And I get multiple different angles out of that. A lot of cameras these days are shooting about 4K maxed out. There's some newer ones that are shooting 8K, but I don't know about you, but I am not spending, what, $5,000 to take a camera to the beach so I can get 8K or something higher than 4K or something that shoots 4K at a higher frame rate. I'm not spending that kind of money, right? So the GoPro comes in very cost effective for high quality video. And then to top that off, you have more control of the color science now. Their GoPro gets better and better and better with their color science. Number three of why you should buy a GoPro is it goes in your pocket really easily. Super easy in your pocket. I will throw this in my back pocket or my front pocket and walk around, and it would feel no different than having a cell phone in my pocket. It's awesome. I keep 120 gig, 28 gig micro SD card in here, and it's already ready. Just hit that red button right there and just record. Just pull out your pocket, hit record, hit that red button, and it starts recording. You can even set it for hindsight. That's a bonus tip right there, hindsight. So it's always recording any second that it's on. So it's recording 15, 30 seconds intervals at a time, and it just cycles and cycles and cycles. It doesn't save it. But if you were to pull this out your pocket, say you're in between shots, you put it in your pocket, you hit that record button, snaps. I just missed that dolphin jump out the water. Well, if you had hindsight set up, you caught the dolphin in the water, and now you have some after that. That's what hindsight's for. So that's a really cool feature. It's always ready to go. So that's like I said, tip number 3 is that the GoPro is always ready to go. And I find it more convenient than using my cell phone for that ready to go situation because there's notifications everywhere. Yes, I can swipe this way to unlock the camera, but then like you just get distracted by the notifications. Like who called me, who texted me, what did Facebook say? That's why I try not to use my phone when I'm doing anything outdoors. Number 4. There's 4 fingers right there. 4 reasons why the GoPro is awesome and why you should get it. The media mod. So if you're an old school GoPro user and you haven't bought a new one since the Hero 7, then you remember that you had to buy that infamous GoPro mic adapter to use a microphone with your GoPro. The silly thing about that was it was always sold out. It was $50. It was always sold out. You could not find it. You couldn't. And if you wanted to buy it, you had to find somebody who had one, and they were selling it for ridiculous amounts. Like I think at one point I almost paid $150 for one, and then GoPro just happened to get one in stock the next day, so I grabbed one off their website. But holy crap, why? Why make something that you need for audio and then not have it in stock? It was blasphemous. But they rectified that, so now all GoPros 8 and higher come with a media mod. Media mod has 2 cold shoes on there, so you can attach your microphone to the top or the Zeus light, whichever light you want to use for your GoPro, and you're ready to rock and roll. It's so convenient versus having to buy like third-party like adapters to do this stuff. You can just buy the media mod. It has a shotgun mic built in, has 2 cold shoes on there. It has USB-C for charging, has HDMI out. That last one, 3.5 millimeter jack for all your microphones. Why not? It's an awesome deal, right? Tip 5. That's 10. Hold on. That's 5. Tip number 5. One thing I think about the GoPro is kind of overlooked because it's not built for this format is the 20 megapixel photos. You're gonna say it's not for photos, it's a video camera, like you record videos with this is why people buy GoPros. Yeah, that's true, but it also takes photos. And It does a really good job of taking photos. You get that 20 megapixels, super wide photo right there, and do what you want with it. I think it's a really good, reason to buy a GoPro. Is that you get dual purpose. You get video and photos. You should definitely have a separate entity for photography, but you get best of both worlds. So if you are out in the ocean, you are out hiking, your GoPro can also take photos. And I think that's really overlooked, just specifically because people aren't getting like the best quality photo out of it, right? You get a better photo from your cell phone. You definitely get a better photo from your camera, but I think it's overlooked, and it's a really good feature that I think over time will only get better. I think eventually we're gonna start seeing third-party companies make lens adapters that work perfectly on the Hero 9. Now, can you adapt a lens to it? Yeah, you can. There's stuff out there. But I mean specifically like GoPro Hero lenses for that particular purpose, because 20 megapixels is gonna turn into 40 megapixels eventually, and GoPro's gonna give you amazing dynamic range, and why not? All right, thanks for joining me. I've been Tony. You've been awesome. I really appreciate your time. Remember, if you haven't already, hit that like button, that subscribe button, maybe share it with a friend or two, and then above all, have a great day. Be awesome. I'll see you next time. Peace out.